Hey champs! Welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install Wine 7 on your Linux Lite 6.0 Jammy Jellyfish? Do you want to run Microsoft Windows applications on your Linux Lite machine? If so, you got the right clue. Just follow the upcoming steps and install winehq successfully on your machines. Let's begin. Open Terminal app on your Linux Lite. Do an apt update quickly. As we are on a 64-bit operating system, we must add i386 architecture support to be able to run 32-bit Windows applications. Grab the wine-jammy source followed by moving it also to the designated directory, which is sources.list.d. Grab the official winehq key from winehq source. Move the downloaded key to the designated location as shown. Once done, run an apt update to update the newly added wine source. Now you can install Wine using the shown command. This may take a while. Please have patience during this. It's done. Wine is installed successfully. You can check Wine version as shown. This confirms successfully Wine installation as well. If you want to open Wine configuration windows, you can open it with this command. You might be asked to install Wine Mono Installer. Install it. This is a required component for Wine. Let's show you a demo wine clock applications. It's running fine. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.